The balls are made from a type of wood called cork. But the cork balls are much bigger than the slot in the whistle. So how does it get inside?
To get the hard pieces of cork in the slot, we need to make them soft enough to squash through, so they are heated up in a steamer.
Once the cork balls are soft and squashy enough, Colin can pop them into the whistles easily. Thank you. Once the cork cools down again, it goes hard, so the ball stays in the whistle without falling out.
But how do they know every whistle works perfectly?
Can you guess what this is? It's an electric blower that lets us test the whistles one by one. So, to make sure everything's okay, ear defenders on, let's see what they sound like. Sounds good to me!